Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the two methods by which you can find how much RAM you have on your Android phone. Okay, so the first method is you need to tap on this Play Store app on your phone, and in this search box over here you need to tap on that and type over here Antutu benchmark. Okay, so here we have this app Antutu benchmark. Just tap on that, and guys, here we have this. Okay, so you just need to tap on this install button. So let me do that, and guys, here you can see that it's downloading, so it can take some time depending on your internet connection speed. And you can see, guys, it's installing the app and it's now installed. Okay, so just tap on this open button to open the Antutu benchmark. And just tap on this allow again, allow, tap on the allow button again. Okay guys, so the Antutu benchmark is now opened. Okay, so in order to check the RAM of your Android phone, just tap on this my device over here. And guys, here you can see the various information about your Android phone. Okay, like the brand, model, device, board, hardware, the Android version you are running, the CPU model. Okay, so you need to scroll down under this storage. So here you can see the RAM over here. Okay, so I can see my the RAM, the total is 908 megabytes and available is 234 megabytes. Okay guys, and you can find so many other information on this app very easily, like the CPU, the architecture you have, the CPU model, okay, and various other information. Okay, so guys, you can check that if you want to explore more about your Android device. Okay, so let me go back. And also guys, I'm gonna show you the second method by which you can find the RAM of your Android phone. Okay, so you need to go to the the settings of your phone. Okay, so just find the settings and open it, and you need to scroll down until you find this the memory. Okay, so just tap on that to open it. And guys, here you can see this total memory. This is the RAM. Okay, so this number might be different in your case. So I have 0.89 gigabytes of the RAM, and the average used it's showing like 78%, and the free the RAM I have 198 megabytes. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.